Southeastern Farm Brokers recently handled the turnkey sale of 343 acres in Terrell County, known as Buck Acres. Buck Acres' superior location in the West Albany Plantation Belt sets this farm up for success. With rolling topography, planted pines, hardwoods, creek frontage, multiple food plots and stands, and barn dominium, and all the equipment needed to run the farm, making this a truly turnkey opportunity. We had the pleasure of representing the purchase of this farm in 2019, when it was purely a blank canvas of opportunity located in one of those many pockets of South Georgia that contains superior whitetail genetics. The meticulous vision of the owner took this farm to the next level, with his wagon wheel food plot design and feeders scattered across the farm, each wagon wheel containing multiple stand locations. Congratulations to Jamie Daniels for representing the buyers, who will enjoy this farm immediately and for many years to come. Southeastern Farm Brokers, always buy the best.